Welcome back to my channel. Techno Trend Zone. Samsung is making a major move by bringing back the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, reviving one of its most beloved smartwatch designs. This iconic model is set to make waves once again, and Samsung is also teasing a groundbreaking feature that could redefine the smartwatch industry. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, its exciting features, and what Samsung has in store for the future of smartwatches. Let's break it all down. The return of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. For the past few years, Samsung has been experimenting with its smartwatch lineup, and last year, it took a bold step by discontinuing the Classic model in favor of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Ultra was a clear attempt to go head-to-head with the Apple Watch Ultra, offering better battery life, a durable yet stylish design, and top-tier performance. However, this shift came at a cost. The removal of the rotating bezel, a fan-favorite feature that made navigation effortless and intuitive. But now, the rotating bezel is back. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic was recently spotted in the GSMA database, practically confirming its return. This is exciting news for those who love the unique, physical control method that sets Samsung's watches apart from the competition. What about the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? With the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic making a comeback, a big question arises. What happens to the successor of the Galaxy Watch Ultra? Well, there are two possible scenarios. Samsung could launch both the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Watch 8 Classic at the same time, alongside the standard Galaxy Watch 8. This would give consumers a variety of choices depending on their needs and preferences. Samsung may adopt a biannual release cycle, meaning we could only see the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic this year, while the Ultra 2 gets pushed to next year. Looking at Samsung's track record, the second option seems more likely. For instance, the Galaxy Watch 4 series had a Classic model, but the Watch 5 series replaced it with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Then, the Watch 6 series brought back the Classic model, only for it to be replaced again in the Watch 7 series by the Ultra. If this pattern continues, we might not see a new Ultra model until 2026. But of course, we'll have to wait for Samsung's official announcement. Game-changing feature. Non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. One of the most anticipated features in Samsung's smartwatch evolution is non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. Last year, rumors suggested that the Galaxy Watch Ultra would introduce this revolutionary technology, allowing users to monitor their blood sugar levels without needles or traditional testing methods. However, Samsung wasn't able to meet the necessary deadlines, and the feature didn't make it to last year's models. So, could the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic be the first to introduce this groundbreaking technology? After the Galaxy S25 launch event, Samsung's senior VP addressed this topic, revealing that significant progress has been made in the development of non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. He stated that once perfected, this feature will be a game-changer for health tracking and diabetes management. However, he didn't confirm whether this feature will debut with the Watch 8 series or be delayed further. If Samsung does manage to introduce this technology first, it would be a huge competitive advantage over Apple, which is also working on similar innovations. Major AI upgrade. Google Gemini on Wear OS. Beyond hardware upgrades, Samsung smartwatches are also set to receive a major software upgrade. Google is bringing its next-generation AI, Google Gemini, to Wear OS, replacing the standard Google Assistant. This means that Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and even previous models will receive a more intelligent, conversational, and context-aware AI assistant. With Google Gemini, you can expect improved voice recognition for hands-free interactions, more intuitive AI responses for health tracking and fitness recommendations, deeper integration with Samsung's ecosystem, better real-time assistance for workouts, productivity, and daily tasks. There's no official release date for the Gemini update yet, but it's expected to roll out alongside the Galaxy Watch 8 series. This upgrade will significantly enhance the usability of Samsung smartwatches, making them smarter, more intuitive, and more powerful than ever. Other potential upgrades for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Aside from the return of the rotating bezel, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to come with several exciting enhancements. Bigger battery life. Samsung has been pushing battery improvements, and the new model could feature a larger battery capacity for extended use. Brighter and more efficient AMOLED display. A higher refresh rate and improved outdoor visibility will enhance the overall experience. Advanced fitness tracking, improved sensors for heart rate, SpO2, and VO2 max tracking, along with better sleep analysis. New material choices. Possible titanium and sapphire glass options for increased durability. Should you wait for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic? If you've been holding off on upgrading because of the lack of a rotating bezel, now might be the perfect time to make the jump. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings back fan-favorite features while incorporating modern tech and AI advancements. However, if you're looking for an ultra-level rugged smartwatch, you may have to wait for 2026, when Samsung is likely to release the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Final thoughts. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting smartwatch releases in years. With the return of the iconic rotating bezel, potential blood glucose monitoring, and a major AI upgrade with Google Gemini, this smartwatch is set to redefine the wearable experience. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic? Are you excited about its return, or are you waiting for the next Ultra model? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends.